Hey y'all, I'm going to start this vlog off a little bit different than usual. If you guys did not know, I own a bright pink Mazda Miata. So I just wanted to introduce you guys to her a little bit. I wanted to move her, so I had to get my man to come and help me out with that. This is going to be a new addition to the site. This is the I'm Just a Girl Heart Compact Keychain. It is, let me open it. It is a mirror, so you can use the back as a mirror, and you can also open it up, and it's double mirrors on the inside as well. And now the fronts, I'm going to make a bunch of different ones, but this is just my first one. And I also have just these just plain without anything written on them, if that's more your style. I also don't remember if I told you guys this, but we are now doing, let me turn this light on. We are now doing birthday cake toppers. So this is a 3D topper. Front and the back looks like that. You just let me know what your party colors are and I can do it for you. There's supposed to be a little dot here. I somehow misplaced it, so I'm gonna have to go back and recut out that so that I can fix that. But otherwise, I went ahead and listed this on the site. This was the first one I did. This one isn't 3D, this one is just flat, but I will make this one 3D. I just got to change the adhesive and make a backing for it. But I am hungry, so I'm going to take a little bit of a lunch break. It's currently 12:59, so let's see what we can eat for lunch today. I guess we're making toast for lunch, because that is quite literally all that is here. So, make some toast with me. Super hot. He's flirting with me. I'm flirting. Please go get some food. He's like, okay, yes, I'd love to. Like, you're too good to be true. I wanted to hop on here really quick and vlog about how I plan to keep my business organized for my taxes for the year 2025. And I'm going to use one of these little A4 binders. I'm going to redo the front. This is an old one where I used to track my finances, but I don't really do that much anymore. But I still have the little thingies. So I'm going to peel all of this off and make each one a separate month. So this is going to take a while. This is how the binder turned out. I took the hearts off the front. I stabbed it, of course. But I put receipts on the front in gold foil, not gold foil, gold vinyl. And it has the months, January, February, all the way through December. And then I have an extra pocket back here for post office receipts. But that's pretty much all it is. This is just for me to track my receipts. So it's currently February. So I've already started on February. I went to Hobby Lobby a couple days ago and got a couple of things. But this is my January. I didn't spend a whole lot. I need to take this one out. This is a USPS receipt, but I didn't spend a whole lot, so that's good. And this will be really easy for me to keep track of my expenses in my small business. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching a little bit of my day in the life of a small business owner. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below for more. This was so fun. This was pretty much kind of like me prepping for Valentine's, along with a bunch of different other things that I was working on. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, be sure to check out my website, shopdaisy.com, if you're interested in purchasing anything that you've seen from my video today. Bye.